A group of Kenyan young people who had pursued higher education in China have said that they're proud of the golden opportunity in the Asian country that has broadened their world views and sharpened their technical and social skills. They're currently working for the Chinese-founded Mumbbasa-Nérobi standard gauge railway in different positions after learning railway operation and management knowledge in China.
My stay in China was interesting, and in terms of the skills and the knowledge that I gained from there, I'd say the studies were very resourceful, the teachers were very resourceful per se, and it was a good time.
In China, we were able to learn a lot. In our class, I was taking communication engineering. The classes were intense, but they were very critical in preparing me for my graduation. We were able to interact with our Chinese counterparts in classes. We had teaching assistants, which helped us because, we are coming from different backgrounds.
According to Everline Mujina, the opportunity to study in China ushered in an era of limitless opportunities, including refining her skills in railway engineering, numerous visits to historical sites, and improved cross-cultural understanding.
In China, the most memorable moment for me was when we were given a chance to stay with a Chinese family for 2 weeks. Staying with that family, you are like their daughter in that period. So it was a very nice experience to be in the Chinese shoes and see how their days are, what they eat, when they wake up, what shows do they watch. And also generally I got a chance to travel to different cities while in China. So that enabled me to to build a lot of friendship.
Meanwhile, their experiences have also energized the future scholarship beneficiaries at the University of Nairobi.
This time I have now one semester scholarship to study in China, and I have had friends who have already went to China, and while communicating with them, actually they say that the experience in Tianjin Normal University is a great experience.
Got an opportunity to go and study in China for 6 months in this year, March. And I'm so excited. I hope that it will be a lifetime opportunity that will change my life. One of my motivations are the students who have gone there and come back. They have enhanced the Kenya-China relationship. It's very successful, very helpful.